Alright guys, I'm getting ready to make keto flour, and it's from a woman named Victoria's Keto Kitchen. She's the one that I learned about this little item. Bamboo fiber. Makes all the difference in the world. I've made a cake with it, but not bread. So we're going to be making bread machine bread. That's right. And the first item that we have to get done is the flour. So we're going to mix a little xanthan gum, egg white protein powder, bamboo fiber, and almond flour. And we're going to make us up a little bread flour. And then we're going to use a keto bread flour recipe for the bread. And I got my stock pot going over here. And what I got in it is cabbages. We got red cabbage and green cabbage and a few tomatoes. And into that is going our lovely bone broth. That's right. It's going to give it a nice flavor. Oh boy, I knocked something over. Yeah, so cabbage actually contains, there's only two things that contain this. Your natural body could produce it apparently. Cabbage and red beef is called L-glutatine. You can buy it in a powder form too as a supplement, but if you want to get it from your food, eat cabbage and red beef. Not too much, but enough to build it up in your body again. It's what causes leaky gut, which leads to inflammation, which leads to autoimmune. All right, guys, so I'm going to get going. I'm going to make the flour up, and then I'm going to see you on the other side and show you how we make the bread in the bread machine. So just so you know, these are the ingredients again. Egg white, xanthan, bamboo, and almond. I will link the recipe for this flour in the description to her channel. Okay? All right, guys. Oh, guys, yeah, I mixed up the flour. I mixed up the bread dough, and I forgot to hit record. But there it is. It's in the bread machine. It's mixing. It's on gluten-free setting because it only needs to rise once. But yeah, I totally forgot to push the record button, so this is the best of it. Alright guys, so here's my keto loaf. Not bad. Not sure what it tastes like. It's just cooling and settling. It's got a nice color. And we got the cabbage soup going for the probiotic soup. And this is, steam got on my camera. Sugar cookie dough. So I'm making keto sugar cookie bars. So we're going to see how that turns out. That was just the keto flour I made. Egg, vanilla, some sweetener. So we're going to see how that turns out. I'll let you know. All right, so this is going to be going on here. My non-stick silicone mat. And bread is cooling. Epic fail. Didn't cook all the way through. Weird and crumbly. Tastes like baking soda. I don't think it was the recipe. I think it was me. But the sugar cookies turned out fantastic.